Welcome to another episode of Adventure Bake Lab. Today we're going to make healthy breakfast cookies. First ingredient we need, rolled oats. Pour it in. Pour all of it. You got it?
Yeah. Enough?
All of it.
Enough?
No.
Enough?
No.
Enough?
Not yet.
Enough?
No.
Enough?
No.
Enough?
Yes. A little bit of cacao powder.
Oh, it doesn't unmake. Wow.
Oh, it's okay.
Kill
A
it.
little bit of cinnamon. Okay, a little bit of nutmeg. A little bit of salt. Good.
Don't get in my hand, okay?
Okay, now we need to mix everything together.
No. No, play.
Okay, you play.
I done.
All done? Mix everything together.
Dada.
Yes.
Where's the flour?
Flour? We're not using flour. These are healthy breakfast cookies using oats instead of white flour. Fourth of a cup almond butter.
No.
Next, we need 2 bananas. Maple syrup, 100% maple syrup. We're not using white sugar. Okay, 1. Pour it in the middle. Okay, pour that in. Good.
Big drip.
Let it drip. A little bit of vanilla extract. 1 egg. 1, 2, 3. No.
This one is normal.
Now we have to mix. 1/4 cup portions. I'll show you how to do one. Okay, like this. Okay, you want to do the next one? That's a big one. Okay. Put it in the cookie pan.
That's a big one.
Okay, put it on the cookie tray. Good.
Oh.
Uh-oh, it's okay.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Oh, wow, good job. Putting them in together, okay?
Okay, Pichu.
Isabel, the cookies are done. Wow. The world's healthiest breakfast cookie. Oh. Mmm, yummy. Another successful adventure for Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.
I want to try that.
This one? No, this is just burnt.